In this video, let me show you how you can create a blog post and LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. So let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account and go to your homepage. Click on Start button to create a post. Next, open your blog or the blog you want to share. Now write a compelling introduction or hook and 3 short paragraphs to make your post engaging. This is crucial for attracting attention and encouraging clicks. After that, use relevant hashtags. On LinkedIn, it's best to use up to 3 hashtags related to your content. LinkedIn will suggest hashtags, but make sure they are relevant. Finally, adjust the privacy settings. If you want everyone to see your blog, set it to anyone, and that's it. Now you can share your blog posts. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.